Finally, we are assembling this engine. It won't be a full assembly of the engine as we still need more parts to arrive. But for the most part, it will be at least attaching the head to the block, as well as doing a little cleaning of the block before we paint it. But it was really exciting to get this done, so here we go. Junior threw another coat of this mid-gloss engine paint, just to basically make sure that we didn't miss any of the spots. I threw the first coat, we threw the second coat, and then we let it dry. It was a nice sunny day, so perfect to have the engine outside, clean it, get it clean as much as we could for painting it. So that's pretty much what we did. And then after that, after it dried, then we started assembling the engine. Once dry, we started cleaning the cylinder heads, making sure there was no gunk or sludge on the cylinder heads, making sure they were nice and clean before putting the gasket, as well as then dropping in the head.
Now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? Generations caught up. Look how things will switch. People there quick. Now they wanna move at the quick. Boy wanna throw 10 back. Quick. Whole gang. Whole man. Old school. Young jam. All black. MZ. Still screaming out of that chain gang. Generations caught up. Look how things will switch. People there quick. Now they wanna move at the quick. Boy wanna throw 10 back. Quick. Whole gang. Whole man. Old school. Young jam. All black. MZ. Still screaming out of that chain gang. These brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? Cold, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone?
Just check that height on the 2J, everything checks out, looks good. We're working with the nice weather we have today. Yeah, so probably get better lighting, but for now we're gonna start just getting everything on the top of the deck looked at. Just check that height, everything looks good. Once we checked deck height using a straight edge, we started installing the dowel pins to get the gasket in.
Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? Cold, these brothers my guys, know that they fly, know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side, CJ Ike, now I gotta roll with ice. Why they wanna move like that? Why you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the quick. Boy wanna throw 10 back, quick. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang. Generations caught up, look how things will switch. People there quick, now they wanna move at the quick. Boy wanna throw 10 back, quick. Whole gang, whole man, old school, young jam, all black, MZ, still screaming out that chain gang.
Yeah, so I got the studs in there. Now we just gotta prep his head. over here to go on there, but these came from the machine shop with the cams already torqued down, so I had to remove them. Yes, let me just get started on that.
Beautiful. Would you just look at it?
There's no dirt on it. Specifically for those.
You just knew. All right. It's a wrap.